Hey all, welcome to the Sai Farm. This is my very first video of small little farm that we have, and yeah, we have a bit of a rescue farm, like where we try to rescue the animals, birds, or whosoever needs a good home for life. Well, this is very first video, and I'm trying to give you a sneak peek into what is the farm look like and what the future videos will look like. So yeah, so you can see like this is our nice little paddock. Not a big paddock as in a big farms, but good for a few animals in here. So yeah, here are our little cute lambs. So hello. So we have named them Harry and Sejal. So this one is a So one on the left is a boy, and who's wandering around is a girl named is Sejal. So there's something happened with Harry. He has pulled off his one of the horn. It was a very bad experience for us and a bit painful for Harry as well. So I'll definitely tell you more about that in other videos. Yeah. So now they are trying to come near me. Let them pet them. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, they're very friendly, very cute. Yeah, so you can see there are alpacas in there. There's one there and there's one hiding behind the bushes. Okay. Bit shy baby. Here we get a good shot. Yeah, so alpacas are not really friendly. They come near me, but they are like at a bit of distance always. So as I said, all these animals you are seeing over here are like mostly they are rescued, like they're the ones which needed the good home. So, and we had a bit of land in here, so yeah, so it was a good idea to give them a good home. And here is Pony. Her name is Joy. She's a girl, around 1 year old. Very much interested in eating, trying to nib the hand, trying to nib the clothes. No. Yeah, so let me give you a nice frame. Yeah, she's too much friendly, like I'm kind of okay, actually just I can feed her from my hands. And yeah, so as you can see, like there's a bit of a subdivision done for the pony, for Joey. Like her name is Joey, I think I mentioned that. So yeah, so Joey is in this kind of a subdivided paddock, and there's a shed in there. There is some hay and there's a water behind the shed. So all these animals have water. So sheep have the water over there, and they have the water in the second paddock as well, like in the shed you are seeing a bit far. Yeah, yeah, exactly this one. So I definitely will show you and give you a good tour of that as well. Okay, so let me move around. We got some nice fruit trees, some nice roses in here. Okay, so here are the chickens. Yeah, they are running towards us. Here are the chickens and the ducks. Yes, here are ducks and chickens. So chickens are in this run. So this is a run for chickens, and this is a shed for chickens. And you can see like there are pigeons in there as well. Like there's some pigeons. So yeah, so in the morning the chickens are out in the run, and yeah, well, and in evening I just keep them in so that fox doesn't get to them. uh, I think it would be able to hear some birds by now. So we have rescued a lot of birds. Actually, this is how it started. Maybe I'll tell you a story of how it all started in following videos, that how we started the rescue and how we came into this, how we got so attached with birds and animals around us. But yeah, it's a kind of a covered shed to protect birds from environmental factors, heat, and yeah, cold. So yeah, here are some budgies. They're going in a breeding boxes. And yeah, I'll give you a brief around the birds, and like I'll tell you more about birds um, in coming videos. So well, I would say like that's it for this particular video. Thanks for watching my very first video on Sai Farm. Yeah, we are calling this farm as Sai Farm. So Sai uh, Farm is the objective is to give comfort to all the animals and birds, whoever are struggling and whoever are in need of the good home. So yeah, so let me know how you like the video, like if there's something you would like me to improve on, or if there is anything you want to watch in the coming videos. Yes, I'll be telling you more about like what are the challenges around having this kind of a hobby farm. Trust me, it's not really easy, and everything around that. And if there are any questions or anything, please leave your thoughts in the comments, and I'm surely be replying to those. Okay, so Joey is here. he, he just like looks at me cutely every time and tries to call me near her. And yeah, it's more like every time that she sees me around, she wants me to come near her and pet her. So yeah, so that's it for this video with this very nice shot of Joey in the last. Thank you. See you again. Bye.